Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, I'm Makhosin Ncwana. I'm the director of BeyondAnything NFC devices. We basically deal with IT solutions and we deal with IT products, mostly NFC. So today I came to pitch for my product called Band. It's basically a wristband. It's a cashless payment system that uses wristbands. It's a NFC system. We use RFID system, wristbands. So the reason for me coming up with this product is that we've all had one problem as business owners, the problem of safety and security when it comes to card fraud, when it comes to carrying cash in late hours in the stores. So we decided to come with a solution where people can just make transactions with no worries about losing their phones, without worrying about losing their cards, losing their money. It's going to be a seamless transaction between a customer and the business person, which also helps the businesses to open longer hours and also move the inventory quicker. So we all know the faster your inventory moves, the more money you make. And if you want to contact me, you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter as Makhosin Ncwana, and you can follow our pages called Band Systems on Facebook and on Instagram. I'm Makhosin Ncwana and I'm a Township Entrepreneur.